Oh, hi, what's your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. May I shake your hand? Very nice to meet you. I see you wearing your headband so your head won't fall off. That's a good idea for safety. When I was a little girl, my head fell off one day because I didn't have one of those. It was terrible. What's my name? You're pretty good at that. Good job, dude. Good job, Hudson.
Hey guys, look out. Look in the window. You guys, all of you. Hey Ken, can you get all of us stand and look through the window? Yes. Guys, can we stand up for the scene? Okay, I'm in.